देखिए, एक नाम जहन में आ रहा है, फारसी नाम है, इट्स अ पर्शियन नेम। उसका अर्थ है बेहतरीन से भी बेहतर, बेटर देन द बेस्ट। इट ऑल्सो मीन्स समथिंग दैट टचेज द स्काई। द पर्शियन नेम इज Zubin. That's just a name. But Zubin Garg means the person for whom sky is not the limit. There is not a department of music he has not mastered. Singer, songwriter, composer, producer, actor, director, screenwriter, poet, and a philanthropist. Although he is actually also accused of spreading heart-throbbing ties among his millions of fans. Zubin Garg.